Get a sheet of your sketchbook and label it like this. Pause the video and make sure you have the right labels. Then get your crayons and experiment the way I have it here. If you have a white crayon, then use it in the bottom right corner. Okay, so we have several different categories, and we're gonna this is just us testing out a watercolor resist. So analogous, we've got the yellow here. What does analogous mean? It means close to or similar to. So we're going to put paint that is similar to yellow. So on one side, if you'll imagine the color wheel, we had yellow at the top. On this side, it was our oranges. So let's get some orange out. And let's lay that down and see what yellow under a close color, which is orange, looks like. Okay, then let's wash our brush and let's go the other way. So yellow is here, orange was here, what was here? These were greens. So let's get some green. And see what that looks like. So we're just playing around before we do our project. So this is analogous. Yellow is close to orange. Yellow is also close to green. All right, so let's wash that brush and let's go over here to the blue that we put down. Analogous. Think about where blue is. It's over here on the color wheel. So this way would be green and this way would be violet. So I'm going to get some of that green I already had. See what that looks like. And the other way was our purple or violet. So maybe you like that look, maybe not. Okay. Now we're going to do same under same. And the first little bit we have is purple. So we're just going to see what purple looks like under purple. So there's definitely not a lot of contrast. And of course it's going to change a little once it dries. And then we also have, I'm going to turn this, we also have the red. So let's do that. Wash our brush. Sorry, my daughter is making a ton of noise in the background. So just so that you know that that's what that looks like. All right, the coolest thing of all though is the white crayon. And again, if you're using the school provided materials, you didn't get a white crayon, but hopefully you have some old crayons from years ago, or maybe you still have crayons because you still use them, or maybe you have a younger sibling. But the coolest thing of all is the white crayon. So I have white under dark, and I have done several patterns here. Now that doesn't mean you can't do a light color over the white, like yellow or orange. You can, but the coolest thing is when you do a dark color over the white. Let's try blue. See, it's just so cool. Okay, so this was our testing phase before we go to our creation. Now let's look at my final creation. So here I have some same under same, like red over red. Over here, this would be what? Think about it. Out of all those that we did, what's that called? It's analogous, right? That's yellow and orange are close to each other. Now over here I have the white, but it's not got dark over top of it. It's got light, but it's pretty cool. I like that pattern. It looks like wallpaper. I also did like some very light figures here. The white here makes it look like it is a window. Again, here in the blue, I have same over same. This is a very, very, very light gray with some white writing. So this is a Crayon Watercolor Resist.